At Sensei, we get a lot of questions about Microsoft Teams and how to best work on a project from Microsoft Project Online inside of Teams. It's quite straightforward, and setting up a channel for a specific project gives you the best of both worlds. The power of the scheduling and project management capabilities from Project Online and the ease of use and collaboration features of Teams. Let's take a quick look at this channel here, which is for the AA tenant renewal project. As always, we have the tab for posts, where team members can chat about the project, and we can also see approvals and various other notifications here. The Files tab is where we have access to the documents for the project. OneNote is where we capture notes for the project, which can be anything from our meeting minutes to vendor conversations, procurement, and project financials information. This OneNote file also synchronizes to the user's desktop and is searchable, of course. The Project Schedule tab gives us access to the project timeline, work breakdown structure, and various Gantt charts and views for the project. Project managers and team leads can also edit the schedule directly from here. With Power BI, executives and the team can quickly access a real-time automated project status report and drill into the details of the project. And with the timesheet on a separate tab, it's easy for team members to provide their input across all the projects they're working on. You can also choose to surface your risk register, issues log, and action items for the project on separate tabs. Of course, as is standard in Teams, you can have conversations on each of these tabs with @mentions, and all of this activity feeds into the posts for the project. This is just one example of how to integrate Microsoft Project Online and Teams. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions on what else is possible, or to have a conversation about getting your organization set up on Project Online.